Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to log into Libertex on iPhone. So if you're new to trading, Libertex is a trusted platform that lets you trade forex stocks, commodities, cryptocurrencies and CFDs in one app, and it's used by millions of traders worldwide and has a user-friendly interface and making it perfect for beginners and experienced traders alike. So first, make sure you unlock your iPhone and tap on the open Libertex trading app, and make sure you are connected to the internet. And if you do not have a Libertex app yet, you can go to App Store and download it from there. And after that, on the bottom we could see there's a sign up or login. Select login, and once here we could see we are required to type down your email and your password in order to log in. So type down your email and your password, and if you want to log in with your Apple ID, on the bottom we could see there's a Apple icon or a Google icon. You can either log in with your Apple ID by just tapping on the Apple icon, or you can log in with your Google ID as well by simply selecting on your Google icon. And after you're done, select continue. So over here, you just logged into your Libertex account, and once logged in, you land on the dashboard where you can explore markets, deposits, funds, or use the demo account to practice trading risk-free. And that is it. You're now logged into Libertex and ready to start trading. Thank you for watching this video. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and make sure to comment down below. If you have any trouble logging to Libertex account, you can simply comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.